Hi there, Sandra here from createinspain. Today I'm going to show you how to manage when you want to have overlapping images with joined cut lines. So I'm going to go to my trace window and pick up an image. And I'm deliberately using one that has a background colour in it. It's not a transparent PNG. So we've got add image and we've got blackout, and I've got my cut lines there, all very well and good. Click on OK and import it into shortcut slot. And this is what I've got. Now I want to resize that for ease of use. So I'll put that down to 12. All right, so if we go up to the preview, and the preview is so important. If you're ever in any doubt about what you're going to cut, click on your preview because it will show you. Now this is the cut lines, but if I click on show printable, I'm printing all of that. And if I was going to overlap two of those images, then I wouldn't want to be doing that, would I? So click on done. The easiest way of getting this to work is to select all, go to object, clip path, set clip path. Lo and behold, you've got your image as you want it. Now be aware that although you have the image as you want it, it is only masking that print. If you go into the layers and you look, this layer here still has the bluey coloured background on it. So although you're seeing that, there is still a background image there. The image has not been manipulated, the mask has been manipulated. So let's say I want two of these and I want them to overlap. Let's copy and paste. Now I could be using a different image, it wouldn't make any difference as long as I had traced it. I'm going to put this one in the other direction and going to put it over there, like so. There we are. But if you look at the preview and we switch off the printable, I have overlapping lines. Now you might think, okay, I'll go into my layers and I'll ungroup things and then I'll combine the cut lines by union path. That's not going to work because if you ungroup everything, you're going to get this background back. But there is a really simple way of overcoming this problem, and it's one that I frequently would overlook because I so rarely have to use it. But if you come up to the style window and you have your image selected and you clip weld, we then come up to the preview and lo and behold, our cut line has been sorted out and we still have the image as we wanted it. So we can go ahead, we can cut that out, no problem, job done. You must remember, however, if you're going to use this way of doing it, that the weld is only temporary for the cut that you are doing. So you want to uncheck it to make sure you're not welding things that you don't intend to weld at another point. But if you don't check that the next time you do this particular image, it's going to have the two cut lines again overlapping. There is another way around this where you can reuse these images without paying attention to that, and that is a bit of a cheat. Select your image, go to File, go to Export, and you can name it whatever you want to name it, but you save it as a transparent PNG. By making sure you've got this transparent set, you can click OK and it will save it. I will move this one out of the way. You can then import that saved PNG via the SVG import. Import it like so, and it is exactly as you want it to be. And if we go to the layers and we ungroup that, you can see that the image no longer has that coloured background that it had previously. So this now becomes transparent PNG, which you can save into your files and use as you wish. So the choice is yours. A couple of different ways of doing it, and I'm sure there are more, but these two are pretty easy. Okay, that's it from me today. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it and consider subscribing. I'll see you again soon. Take care now.